So we are going to use pre-made Unreal Engine 5 materials, and we are going to make materials from scratch using blueprints.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another exciting tutorial of Unreal Engine 5 and welcome to AnyMotion Pro. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a material. So let's start this tutorial.
Start this tutorial by creating a new folder named Maps. Open the Maps. So you can create an empty level, right click from here, or you can go to the file and click new level. Here is the whole level we are going to working on, and save this level to material practice. Now we are going to tick off the grid. After that, we are going to adjust the floor. So now we are going to add a mesh from where we can apply the material. So search for SM Matte. Click on the quick add and go to volumes and add post-processing volume. Adjust this a little bit and search for infinite extend and enable it. Now go to exposure, enable metering mode and do it manually and drag this to 11. You can adjust your light from view mode, game setting enable and disable. When you're going to disable, it will give you EV. You can adjust it right from here. Now go to the starter content, go to material. Now let's try this brick material and apply this shiny metal material to our mesh. So very simple method to add materials in Unreal Engine 5. So let's try some different materials. Now let's make a blueprint material to tell you how you can make a custom material. Now open this up. As you can see, here is our, so we are going to save it. Here is the detail panel, and here is the palette from where you can add nodes. Another way to do this, right click on material graph. Now we are going to add constant 3 vector. You can adjust its color here, or you can do it right from here. Now let's make its color orange. Now grab its node to the base color. And yes, as you can see, the whole color of the material has been changed. Now we are going to apply this on our mesh. As you can see, nothing happened. We have to apply. We have to go back to the first material and hit apply. Now, as you can see, it's working fine. A very simple method of making a color material. We are going to change its color to blue, hit apply. As you can see, color has been changed. And for reference, I'm going to add a constant and make it 1.0. Add this node to the roughness and adjust this to 0.1. As you can see, the material is not so rough and it's shiny. So here is a very simple method of making materials and adjusting their colors. Now let's make this material more metallic. In order to do that, we are going to manipulate metallic properties. For this, I'm going to copy and paste this value to the metallic. Now let's hit the apply button, and unfortunately nothing's happened. It happens, but we have to increase the value 2, 1. And as you can see, it's looking good. We are going to manipulate its color. It looked like a metal object. Now it's shiny and metallic, but if you want this to look like matte, we have to decrease its metallic values and increase its roughness values. Here you go. And also if you want this to look more rusty and rough, go to starter content and go to textures and go back to our blueprint and add this texture sample. Go back to textures and double click on this texture. Disable the R and G and leave the B and add this to roughness. So after applying this, as you can see, there is a little bit roughness in our material. Adjust the light while pressing Ctrl and L. And make this material a little dark. Press OK. Apply this, and as you can see, it looks perfectly a rugged and rusty material. So if you think that's not enough to make it rusty, we are going to blend two materials, and in order to do that, we are going to copy and paste this material and make it a different color. In order to work both of these colors, we are going to right click here and add linear interpolate. Connect the first color to A and second color to B, and its final node to the base color. We are going to detach its roughness from texture sample and add it to alpha. So hit apply and see the results. Here you go. Our rusty material is ready. But if that is not enough, we are going to go deep and add the texture sample and replace this texture to the last color we have just created. Hit apply. Here you can see how we can create a custom material in Unreal Engine 5. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and if you have any questions, please write it down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next very short and effective video.